Greetings, good life. I'm going to continue reading my Benevolent Magic blog for you now. This was originally posted on Thursday, January 5th of 2006, and it's called Changes, Perceptions, and Feelings in This Immediate Year. Now, the beginning of your year will see many changes, and you will find that coordinating with these changes will not always be easy. However, the most unusual factor will occur, and that is that physically it will be easy for you to coordinate with these changes, but the challenging aspect will be with your mind. Your mind will be trying to apply its accumulated knowledge and wisdom to the changes that you will be experiencing. But even though your feelings and your physical body will feel comfortable, even more relaxed perceptibly, your mind will struggle. Your mind will say, as it thinks, this doesn't seem to fit, it doesn't seem to follow, and it doesn't seem to make sense, and yet it feels good. I'm letting you know that this may occur for you because it is a change brought about by timing associated with your souls and your guides and your angels and Creator, of course. The timing has to do with a form of completion going on to unite all of these aspects in your physical self and more. This is a good thing, but your mind will be the last one to find out that it's good. So try to observe with more than your mind, your physical and feeling experiences. You'll note that I avoid using the word emotional. This is because this word has been given, in the Western cultures, as well as many others, a connotation that means not understood and therefore less valuable than the mind, whereas feelings refer to something for which there is definite physical evidence. How do you feel? Take note in your physical body. Do you feel warm? Do you feel cold? Do you feel happy? Do you feel sad? Sometimes people don't even know if they're happy or sad, but you always know if you're warm or cold. I present this to you not because I have the assumption that you cannot understand these basic details of your life, but rather because one of the most perceptive elements that you will be able to count on in the beginning of this year is your physical body and your physical feelings. Many times, for no reason at all, a feeling will sweep over your body, and if you had to interpret it mentally, you would almost always interpret it as either something wonderful is happening right now, or I have a wonderful feeling of well-being, and it will leave you with a reassurance about the future. Oh, there will not be any persuasive mental evidence, but it will be a feeling. Learn to trust and to know and to understand your feelings. Recognize that your feelings are the universal method of communication that can be most easily understood by all beings on earth, regardless of what language or sounds you may make to communicate. The more we know and understand about feelings, the easier our lives will become, and the easier it will be to communicate with our fellow beings, regardless of what language they speak or think in, or the way they communicate, be they man or woman, child, yes, or be they animal, or even plant or stone. I have been taught that everything has feelings. In my experience, I have found this to be true. Good life to you all, and good night.